And welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently. I will give you the answer of question what you are searching on a YouTube. So don't worry, I'm here to help you and welcome back to the new video of English learning. There's just one thing which is confidence. If you have the confidence, you can speak in English. But how the confidence will come when you have the knowledge, when you have the command over vocabulary, when you know about the words, when you have knowledge about the vocabulary, so you can speak English easily. But in spite of vocabulary, you need other things also like habitual to read English newspaper every day. You will have to make a habit to read English every day. If you do not like to read newspaper, you can read magazine or the book, whatever you like. You have to listen English also. Listening is also a good exercise. And speak in front of mirror or record your own voice. But you can do these practices without any knowledge, with the data only. Suppose if you want to read, you have the book or magazine, you can read. For listening exercise, you can just stay tuned on the BBC or CNN and start listening. Or if you want to speak, so just repeat what you have listened. But if you are talking with someone, with a personally, or you are giving an interview in any company, so you need the command over vocabulary. For that, I am here to help you. So let's start today's video with some advanced and great words. The word for the day is apathy, lack of feeling. The members of student council accuse the senior class of apathy. Next word, abhorism. A brief, often witty saying, a proverb. Okay. Apocalypse, prophetic revelation. In strict usage, apocalypse refers to specific Judeo Christian writings. Apocryphal, of dubious authenticity, fictitious. An apocryphal story is one whose truth is not proven or whose false head. Apotheosis, an elevation to divine status, the perfect example of something. Next word, appease, to pacify by giving in to. Laddie appeased his angry mother by promising to make his bed every morning. Appreciate, to increase in the value. The Browns bought their house 20 years ago for $100. Apprehensive, worried. The apprehensive child clung to his father's leg as the two of them walked into the main circus. Okay, so we have completed the words for the day. We will do 5 to 10 words every day for building the vocabulary, which is very important if you really want to speak English. Now I would like to tell you what is the advantage of learning English. Suppose you want to get a job in corporate sector or in MNC. The person, those who are doing the BTech or MBA or PGDM, they very well know that getting a job in corporate sector nowadays it is not easy. IT sector is also facing so many problems. The people, those who are working in the IT sector, they very well know that recession is also over there. So if you want to get a job and you are studying, paying a good amount of fee in your universities or in colleges, and you want to get a job in corporate sector, so you have to start working on your basic English skills, which is vocabulary building. Or if you want to go for overseas studies, I am telling you the advantages of learning English. If you want to go for overseas studies, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, England, wherever you want to go in English speaking country. Most of the English speaking country where student used to go, basically Canada, for you need to qualify IELTS examination. Some students choose the Australia or New Zealand. For that you need to qualify TOEFL examination. So this is the power of English. If you have the good command over English, good command over vocabulary, so you can easily qualify these language tests and take the admission in these universities. So I hope you will like the video of today. Keep on learning, keep on working hard. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.